Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create a new document in Adobe InDesign. Firstly, we double-click the ID icon to open InDesign. When you open InDesign, you can see the welcome page here. Have some preset document with different size. A variety of options for what you want to create and how you want to create it. This section is the files which I have work on it. You can click New File to create a new document, or click More Presets here to open it. So the first is the recent files that I've worked on. And to look up on top here, you will see they have a few different tabs. You can see different sizes. And it also has some templates that you can work from as well. You'll see different things for mobile, such as for iPhone, iPads, and Androids. Today I'm going to create a print style file because I need it to print out. Here I'll create a new document name I will do after preset. So I set the width size is 297 millimeters and height is 210 millimeters. I'm setting the units to millimeters, but you can use whatever you like it. You can use points, inches, or pixels if you prefer. I'm going to create one page for now. You can create multiple pages. I set with a bleed of 3 millimeter. I don't need set a slug now. By clicking here and saving it with the file name. For example, I'll call it LQ1, then click Save as Preset. Now you can see LQ1 file in the saved preset. Here you can adjust the margins and columns. For now, it shows margin at 20 millimeters and the columns at 1. Just adjust the numbers. Then you can change the columns and gutter size and make sure the preview is ticked. And press it to view. The writing direction is vertical now, but I want to use horizontal, so I change to horizontal. The column, I just want to use one. The gutter size, I change back to 5 millimeters. And to see the result. Everything looks good, so I'll press OK. Now you can see here it's in the Essentials workspace. I can go reset the Essential workspace if you task its mess. So if you want to change to another workspace, for example, like Essential Classic, just click the Essential Classic and the UI will change to Essential Classic workspace. So if you want to change to typography or advanced workspace, just click it. Now you can see the interface already changed. This is completely up to you. To choose Essential, Classic, or Others workspace. Now, if I think the user interface sizing too small, I want to make a little bigger, including the anchor point, handle, and bounding box display 6 need to be changed. So go Edit and Preferences and General. Shortcut is Ctrl+K. Click the interface. You can use the color theme to change the UI color. You can choose black, gray, light gray, or white one, which color is your favorite. I like black. No need to change others. Just use default. Next, click the user interface scrolling the Adjust UI Size. You can change to small to large. Here, you can also adjust the anchor points and bounding box displaying size. Can change to small to large. Then click OK. So changes will take effect after you restart InDesign. I click Later and go to File to save my document, giving it a file name. I just create the name LQ1. And clicking Save. Then I go back to File and click Exit. The shortcut is Ctrl+Q. I then restart InDesign. Go to File and open the recent file which I just saved. Now you can see that the UI interface is much bigger than before. That's all for today's video on how to create a new document in Adobe InDesign for beginners. If you want to watch more about InDesign in the next video, please type yes. Otherwise, I'll make a Photoshop video next. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.